Alright everyone, this is a demonstration of my smart mirror here. You can see that this is the cabinet that's going to hold it, and it's kind of rough. I need to paint this still. And you can see that this is the actual cabinet itself. And I've ended up taking off the front here, which was originally this piece of glass, and I've replaced it with a kind of like a transparent or translucent sort of glass. Although it looks like a regular mirror, you'll notice when I actually turn on the Raspberry Pi here that it isn't. So let's go ahead and plug this in, and we'll watch the boot up sequence. And you'll actually see that this actually changes, so it's not just a mirror. So you can see that now there's code going across, and this is running Debian Linux on a Raspberry Pi 3. And if you pay attention here, you'll see there's the mouse pointer, and you can see that you've got your operating system running. Keep in mind, this is a very basic, very efficient little computer. It's got 4 1.2 gigahertz processors, Wi-Fi connectivity, 4 USB ports, HDMI out, audio out. You can do quite a bit of things. But in the case of this, what we're going to do is actually show the smart mirror functionality. So if you'll bear with me, I'm trying to multitask here. And let's go ahead and open up a command window, and we'll change to our smart mirror directory, and we'll start npm. Now what we're actually doing is starting a JavaScript program that is Electron and is very customizable. So it looks like a mirror, but then once it loads, you can actually see it's much more. So you can see it shows the date, it shows the time, and over here I plugged it into Bing Maps and typed in my address and my commute to work, and it actually tells me how long it's going to take me to leave right now. And eventually I'll probably have like a map here or some other functionality. I've even tied in my Google Calendar into it, which allows you to be pretty efficient, know what your meetings are for the day, or if you're going to catch up with a friend, or you have a doctor's appointment, or what have you. And then this is an array here that actually shows various quotes to, you know, that can make you feel good. So you'll say, hi sexy, or looking awesome, good afternoon, good evening. It's whatever you desire, you could program into it. You just have to basically come up with the quotes and take the time and patience to actually plug it all in. And then if you notice down here, it says, say what can I say to see a list of commands. So I've typed in, I tied it into Google's API speech, so that it can do some basic rudimentary stuff, but you have to actually train it and download these individual files based on some of your words, like a dictionary, if you will. And so what you'll notice when I start talking is that a bar will go across here while it's trying to talk to the network. Now, I'm on Wi-Fi, and most of my tests has been done on Ethernet, so I'm just going to see if it at least recognizes that I'm talking to it. So here we go. Smart mirror. Smart mirror. So you can see it says network error, but you can see that the bar for smart mirror was trying to go across. So this is a really rough alpha version. There's a community of people that try to make things like this. It's pretty interesting what you can do. You could have it show YouTube, for example. Potentially this has a microphone, but I could in the next revision put in a webcam. And then that will allow you to actually maybe take a picture of yourself. So for women that like to do their makeup or do their outfits, or even do selfies, for example, they could catalog what they're wearing. They could take different pictures. They could send it to their friends, update their social media, networking profiles, what have you. They could watch YouTube videos, so they could do tutorials, and then they could have a webcam that shows what they look like while they're doing that tutorial. And they don't have to hold a phone or an iPad or anything else. They can just sit in front of a mirror and just be beautiful, basically. So this is the conclusion for this alpha test, and until next time, to be continued.